This YouTube channel has 0 subscribers, yet it's already monetized. And I built the entire business today inside of one tool called Genspark. And I'm gonna rebuild it right now from complete scratch so you can follow along and copy every single step. And at the end, I'm gonna show you the one prompt that runs 80% of this on autopilot every single week. 99% of people do YouTube backwards. They post videos first, and then they pray to make money from them later with no real thought put into how are they going to make this into a business? And so oftentimes that means waiting months to get accepted into the YouTube partner program and then make pennies from ad revenue. And a huge reason that beginners quit is because they have to have so many different tools in different places, doing niche research in one tab, having an AI in another tab writing scripts, having a website builder open, design tool, an email tool, spreadsheets. And so often this means like 5 or 10 subscriptions before you ever even make a single dollar. But today, that entire stack is turning into just one workspace called Genspark. It's basically an all-in-one AI workspace, but it's a lot different than what you may have seen before. And the difference is that it doesn't just give you answers, but it actually does the work. And so I'm going to run my monetize first system for making money from YouTube channels through this start to finish. And so step number 1 is to monetize first. And this might sound crazy, but we're going to monetize this channel before we ever even choose the niche. Now, most people think I have to have a topic for what I'm going to talk about, or I need to choose what my channel is even going to be about before I go ahead and start with it. But this process I'm about to show you is going to flip that on its head. Instead, we're going to find an amazing offer to monetize our channel first and make sure we have somewhat of an interest in it, and then decide the niche based off of that. And so I'm gonna open up Genspark and put in this prompt right here. Find me 10 affiliate programs in the spaces that I'm interested in, so you can swap this out for whatever you're interested in. Personally, I love AI tools and personal finance, so I'm gonna put those as a couple options, but feel free to put some different ones, whatever you happen to be interested in. Or if you don't know, say, surprise me and give me a bunch of different options to choose from that pay at least $100 per one-time sale or recurring commissions, ideally for life. For each one, give me the commission structure, cookie duration, landing page quality score, and estimated search demand. Then search the best 3 YouTube niches, and I'm gonna also put and sub niches for promoting them with 5 example faceless channels per niche and their average amount of views. And then I'm gonna select Ultra for this because I wanted to look really deeply into this for me, and click enter. And so now, just like that, this literally took like 30 seconds. We have a bunch of different AI tools that we can promote, exactly how much that we'll make from them. So it's given us a bunch of different tools right here, like TubeBuddy, which is an AI YouTube tool. Also my company, TubeMagic as well, we give 50% recurring commissions for life. And then in the personal finance space, it gives us a bunch of options right here, like this Motley Fool Stock Advisor, where you get $100 flat per stock advisor sale, with 600 plus for premium services, so that's pretty cool. And then it gives us the niches, as you can see, AI tools and automation, along with the channels, their average amount of views per video. And this is incredibly good. Anytime you see even over 10 or 20,000 views of video, this is going to be a channel that has the potential of making millions and millions of dollars if you monetize it correctly. Like for example, with this channel right here, I make millions of dollars per year from it, but that's because it's within an educational niche where I'm teaching something and I'm able to sell stuff from it and get sponsorship deals and so forth. And then it's giving us some great YouTube channels as well. Like for example, Faceless Finance, you have a channel like Nick Invest, which is a great channel that's getting an insane amount of views on their videos, and they're probably making a lot of money, and they literally just use AI for their videos. And it says here, the best combo for a beginner faceless channel would be to do AI investing videos and promote that Motley Fool offer where you make at least $100 per sale, plus this other offer called Empower or Acorns, because it's low production complexity, extreme buyer intent, and the AI video format has proven viral templates that you can replicate. It even went out and researched Reddit, for example, right here, and found this small YouTuber who hit 5,000 subscribers in 3 weeks with just 8 videos. And so that's hours of research that Genspark just saved us, but an offer with no way to capture buyers is worthless. The next step is the entire secret to setting up your channel so it can make money from the first day that you start it. And for this, we're going to go to New, and then go to Genspark code right here, and then click simple website or app. And trust me, this is all gonna make sense in just a second. And we're gonna use this prompt that says, build a clean one-page bridge site for personal finance for people over 50. And the reason I'm distinguishing it further is because this is going to allow us to collect way more leads and therefore help these people further, because we're going to be able to tailor this specifically to their situation. And this is a huge hack on YouTube. Instead of just doing personal finance videos, choose personal finance videos for people of a certain age range, whether it's under 20 or over 50. The great thing about over 50 is that older people generally tend to have more money, and they likely care more about personal finance and protecting that money and growing it. And we just tell it to put a bold headline with 3 benefit bullets, an email opt-in form that saves leads to a database, and a call to action button linking to this affiliate link right here. Obviously, you'll put your affiliate link after you actually sign up for it. And we tell it to do a modern dark theme, mobile first, publish it live, and also make a page where they get after their opt-in and research what will actually provide these people maximum value. I'm also even going to say make it a bit interactive as well, just to show you what this can do here. And just like that, we have this finished, and if we want to publish it, we just go here, select Genspark hosting. You can use your own hosting services if you want. I'm not that technically capable, so I just like to use the built-in hosting here. In fact, my website, tubeaccelerator.com, which is for my YouTube program, is completely done with AI just like this. And here's what it made us here. As you can see, it says the last 15 years of saving decides the next 30 years of living. So that is a fantastic hook for people over 50, and it calls them out right there. It says, if you want your free toolkit, which includes all of this right here, how to keep more of your money, how long your savings last, and everything else. And I was just gonna say, you should also put a disclaimer on this sort of stuff that it's not legal or tax advice or anything. But as you can see, it did that for us. So I didn't even have to ask for it right there. And it says this is incredibly useful, even if you are already retired right there. So then if you click get my free 50 plus toolkit, you simply put in your name and email. And once we opt in, it gives us this toolkit. And due to the fact that I didn't give it too much information on who exactly this is for, I literally just said people over 50. As you can see, Genspark was smart enough to say your #1 money goal right here, and then it gives people options, and then it tailors the toolkit that they get from what they select here. So if they select that they want to cut their taxes in retirement, that'll give them a different option. But I selected I want to know how long my money will last, and then it lets me put in my age, my retirement age, contributions, everything else. It gives us a cool interactive graph right here as well. This is awesome, and this is incredibly valuable for people, and you just made this in a minute. And the great thing about this is now you've collected their email. And you can chat with Genspark and say, hey, connect this to an email service of my choice. For example, I use Kajabi for my email, so I could connect this to Kajabi and then build an email list in there, and then send out regular emails that I could have Genspark write, selling what I'm selling. And speaking of that, if you click this button right here that says investing research, it says if you want to explore investing services, you can click here, and it brings us to our affiliate link right here. So now you have a money page to link in the descriptions of your videos, but a money page by itself with no traffic makes $0. Now we build the content engine in the packaging that actually gets clicks. And so I'm gonna go back to our original chat and then say, let's go for people over 50 personal finance. Give me my first 33 video ideas by combining multiple ideas that have worked for each one new title to make original videos that have the highest chance of getting tons of views, rank them best to worst. And essentially what we're asking for here is for Genspark to then go out and research other YouTube videos that have tons of views on them, and then combine multiple different titles into a new title. This is my combination video idea strategy that works incredibly good for all niches. And now it's finding patterns across all of these channels right here as for what specifically is working for this specific sub niche. And now it's giving us our ideas. Like this one right here, which fuses age specific plus low savings fear plus numbered list plus urgency plus a before trigger. So it's putting all of these different triggers that it's finding from patterns of top channels, and it's giving us this. If you're 62 with less than 300,000 saved, do these 7 things before you file for Social Security. I guarantee you this video will get a lot of views if you execute it correctly. I just know when I see an amazing title, that's honestly a really good title right there. Also, then we have this one which fuses wealthy versus broke contrast. So you have 9 things wealthy retirees sell between age 55 and 65 that broke retirees keep paying for. Another really great one. People love these countdown types of videos, plus something that gives people a reason to click and why they should click right now. And all of these titles have this. These are amazing amazing video ideas.
Now, another really cool feature within Genspark is the AI Sheets, and this is actually incredibly valuable if you wanted to do any kind of research and put everything into a spreadsheet that then you can go ahead and use. So for example, you could tell it to research all the top viewed YouTube videos in the personal finance niche and make combination ideas combining multiple different top ideas and put them into a spreadsheet where I can sort by view potential and by how many views the inspiration videos got. Only use videos uploaded in the past 90 days, and then go ahead and click enter. And just like that, now we have a spreadsheet with all of that sorted for us. So if we go full screen right here, we can see it's given us all of these ideas. These are the top video ideas. And then if you go to combo ideas, it's given us these combination video ideas. So for example, this one combines these two inspiration videos of if I started investing in 2026, this is what I would do. And then why life gets easier after 20K, but your bank hates it. So instead we do, if I restarted investing in 2026 with only 20K, here's what I would do. And that's a really great video idea. And there's multiple different angles you can do on this as well. You could also ask it to give you multiple different ideas and so forth. This is pretty good, and it gives you the rationale as to why this would work, as well as a views potential. And then of course you can sort this by the highest if you want it there. And this is super valuable. You could also use the spreadsheet feature if you wanted to take your plan and then put it into a spreadsheet format. You can make sheets to give to other people, such as team members and so forth as well. You can export and share this. And overall, this is a super cool feature within Genspark.
And now I'm going to say, come up with a YouTube channel name that isn't taken and that isn't copyrighted, that's unique and memorable, and make my profile picture for the channel with an avatar who's the face of the channel, which you know I always recommend if you watch any of my other videos. You should always have a character who's the face of the channel. And then make the channel art and channel description as well. And now it's going ahead and doing this right here. It found a few winners like Silver Line Retirement or Golden Chapter Finance. Both returned 0 results, so it'll go with this. Always make sure to do due diligence, like actually check yourself on YouTube or the WIPO brand name database to make sure this isn't taken. But Genspark should have done that for us right there. It even says it checked through trademarks, which is really epic. And it came up with a character who's going to be the face of the channel, which is very cool. It gave us a channel description, a visual brand system as well, and then it says just reply go if you want us to produce this, so we'll click go. And boom, now we have our profile picture, and it used Nano Banana Pro for this, which is great. GPT Image 2 is also really good. As you can see, I used that for the actual channel art, which also looks great. And just like that, we have a character. Now, if we wanted, we can make it a little bit more cartoony as well. This is a little bit too realistic, I would actually say, and it almost looks like you're impersonating a real person, so we don't necessarily want to do that. So I'm going to instead say here, make it more like an animated character, please, just to make it a little bit more similar to channels like Alicia Invests or Nick Invests. And now we have more of an animated character here, which honestly I think is a lot better. You could even make it a little bit more 2D animated if you wanted to, but yeah, this looks great. And then I asked it to make thumbnails for the first 5 videos, making the text and the person big so there's no blank space, and modeling it off of thumbnails that are working within the niche. Do not guess, and keep text to a minimum, etc. And so it went through a bunch of different winning thumbnail styles, and it found that the patterns between them are 2 to 5 words max, bold text, 1 keyword, a person off to one side, high contrast and everything else, and then it gave us these thumbnails, which honestly look really good. These are fantastic. If you're 62 with less than 300K saved, that's a great thumbnail for that title. And now here's one of the coolest things about Genspark. It's the fact that we can turn everything we've been doing so far into reusable skills so we don't have to keep asking it to do the same thing. Check this out. If we go to the left-hand side of Genspark and click skills, you'll see all of these different skills right here. And some of these are pretty useful. For example, if you go to video right here, it gives us short form video script writers and so forth, but these aren't too useful for us for doing YouTube. But if we go back to our chat and we say, turn this into a reusable skill, research the top 12 trending topics in my niche this month, rank them by search demand, generate a thumbnail concept and 3 title options for the best one, and update my content calendar. And just like that, it has created our skill right here. And it says exactly what it's doing. It's going to find trending topics. It's going to find the top 12 most viewed videos within this niche, extract the topics, make a composite demand score from them, generate thumbnail concepts and different title variants with the different patterns that are working the absolute best, and then update a content calendar. And so it executed it for us for this month here. And as you can see, here are the 12 different topics that we have, which is awesome. And we did 12 because if we upload 3 videos a week, that's 12 videos a month. Realistically, you may want to adjust this to be like 20 videos, and then you choose the 12 that you like most from those. But that's pretty cool, and it gives us our content calendar when they're uploaded, which one of these are trends, meaning you may want to hop on those first, and which one of these are more evergreen videos. Then we simply ask for a skills file to be able to upload this to our skills so we can save it. We download that, go to skills, go to upload, and then click save. And now we have that skill installed right here. And now if we ever want to use it again, we can just simply use it right here and ask it to do it for, maybe we have a different channel we want to use this skill for. And as you refine your process, once you have a way of writing scripts that you like, or repetitive things that you do like uploading and optimizing videos, writing video descriptions, you can create skills for each one of those things to make it a lot faster in the future. And then for actually making videos for our channel, there are a bunch of different video tools in here. You have a bunch of different AI video generators and so forth. If you do need to generate clips for your videos or anything, and then edit it together in the editor of your choice. I've got tons of videos here on the channel as well on exactly how to generate videos step by step, and how to use AI to completely generate videos for you. And what separates this from using an AI like ChatGPT or just purely using something like Claude is the fact that it can actually go out there and do stuff for you. And so, for example, you can give it really long, detailed instructions, and it'll go through like a real agent or a real employee and do each of those things for you. You can even have this call people for you, which is honestly pretty crazy. And Genspark is a huge company. They've done over $250 million in their first 12 months. It's one of the fastest growing AI products ever, and this is where the market is going. And now we have a YouTube channel that is monetized from the first day that we started. And Genspark is now offering a Get Started bonus where new users can test out all of the epic tools that they have, including AI web app building and all of the other things that I showed you for completely free, and you can earn additional credits just by finishing easy in-app tasks. Feel free to click the link in the description to grab it. And so now that you know how to monetize your YouTube channel from the first day that you start it, you're probably wondering, how do I actually go about generating videos that will actually get a ton of views and link everything together to really make this into a real business and to make sure that YouTube will actually be okay with my channel right now in 2026. And if you want to discover that, you can check out the video next to me right here, which is my completely free course on YouTube. You can watch it, bookmark it for later at the very least, and see exactly how to make this into a business with 2026 updates for making sure your channel stays safe. I'll see you there.